Oh, hey again there guys, so this is just our DC filter cable. So on our B constant, our yellow wire here, and our ground, we've actually put a filter box in here. Now this can be handy if you're having screen flicker issues or like microphone issues. It isn't like super common, but it's like sometimes on people's cars they've actually added things to the system, and by adding things to the system, DCDC charger, the second battery or whatever, they've actually added some interference, which gives you some DC voltage interference. So we've just made like an easy way to do this. So it's a little like patch cable. So on our M series head unit here, you'll pretty much just pull this a plug here at the back of the head unit. You'll plug this in like so, and then you'll plug this end back in, and that is the filter box installed. And then you can test to see if you're still getting the issues, if you're having mic issues, whatever issue you're having. So very easy to install and should be quite good. Your little extra wires here are just in case you want to have an extra B plus constant power source, or an ACC power source, or ground. A super easy way to piggyback them actually off the unit, and they'll come through here. Please note that the B plus and ground are obviously coming through from this filter as well, so they will be filtered.